Traders, it's Kyle from K Capital here. Just want to look at a live position of our NCTY short from yesterday. We went short in the 339, 345 range. It's completely breaking down as expected today. What you're looking at currently is the deep book for the L2, as well as the 1 minute and then the daily charts. You know, across the board, we can definitely see a significant downward pressure here. You know, we have a low of 284, which is about a buyer right around the 290 range, but nothing up to the current price. So I really think this is going to probably break down even further and take out that low. Looking at the major volume points here, you know, there's definitely deep sellers in terms of 310 to 316, and then all the way back down to the low threes. But for the most part, you know, I think there's still a lot of weakness here. I just want to take a little bit of a, all right, you got another buyer coming in. So let's see what this does. A buyer was taken out. Again, one thing I'm looking at on the daily is 307 here. You know, that served as the bottom part of that flag formation that couldn't hold, and it broke down today. I think now that that has taken out, once we take out the 50 EMA, I think we're definitely going to gap down to 2. There's just a lot of weakness here, which is great. All right, you're seeing a buyer come in. So right now we're sitting on a roughly 40-cent profit, so decent return for the time being, especially overnight in a day. You know, one thing I definitely want to see is just, you know, selling coming into this uptick here. So we got a little bit of seller at the 298, 299 level. He was taken out. Yeah, there's a lot of downward pressure here. You know, if we look again at the daily here, it's just a matter of, you know, I think this breaking down. Fundamentally, this story is really, I think, a pure pump and dump. I mean, it went from 1 to 4 in a matter of, I think, 2-3 weeks, off of really no news whatsoever. It's a Chinese stock trading as an ADR on, you know, a U.S. exchange. It's pretty shady, you know, for a stock to go up that quickly. Off of really no news. And even if there were significant news besides, I think they got an investment from some substantial investor. I mean, nothing warrants a stock going up, especially small cap, you know, 300% in that time frame. So it's kind of a major sign of when you know a stock is really trading as complete garbage or a complete pump and dump. So I'm just going to continue to watch this to see if we see a seller come in after this little bounce. Might pause the video just to wait it out, and I can start the video back up. Bid-ask spreads are roughly 6 cents right now, which is pretty significant. We're trading right at the ask, which tells me that eventually that's going to break down. You're not going to see a buyer come in right there at 3 and take that out. Yeah. I mean, so this basically tells me that the majority of the interest is at 284, 285. So you're not going to see, I think, the bid move to fill that gap to the ask. I mean, right now the buyer is basically saying, why would I? So I think this should drop. Again, right now we're still sitting on a nice return for the time being, but my initial target is 2. So I will continue to watch this and then keep you all updated. But happy trading and congrats on the nice return so far.